everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make kuromame. Kuromame is same as soy, but it's black. And it is very popular, especially at New Year's time. We have special New Year's food in Japan, and that each ingredients and also the plates or the food have meaning. Kuromame is black bean. People become tan themselves to being healthy and tan, being outside and doing their work, which majority of people in Japan back then, they are farmers, so they want to be outside every day and to become black, which is tan their skin, that they can work outside very healthy for whole life. That is the meaning of the black beans that's eating at the New Year's to celebrate their life. So this is how to make it. I hope you enjoy it. I purchased this one in Japan, but I found kuromame in Asian grocery store before, so you may be able to find it too. Kuromame is black soybean. First, you wash kuromame for a couple times. You leave it in the water overnight or at least 6 hours. And this is how it's look like overnight. I transfer kuromame from bowl to the pot, and you use all those water, so don't throw them out. I have this, which is iron bowl. You don't need to this one or the iron bowl to put it to cook this food. What this iron does for the cooking is to make this black beans become more dark or the black. So they put iron when they cook black beans. This is common in Japan, and back in the old days, of course, they didn't sell those things. So what people did was used rusted nail, wash it clean and put in the cloth and put in the pot, so they will cook together with black beans, so the black bean become more black. I purchased this one in Japan, and because I do cook black beans, and well, I guess I want to have it, and also because it's iron, so when you cook some other food, I put this one so that the iron get in the food that I'm cooking, so I can eat more iron. I guess I consume more iron eating with my food, which I cooked with this one. So I purchased this. I decided to change my pot here. Put paper towel on top. This is a must to do so. This protects kuromame exploding the air so that kuromame doesn't have wrinkles. I checked this one, but this is still hard, so it's not done yet. Liquid is reduced, so this must be done. Even chopsticks, it's easy to break, so it is done and very soft. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you like my YouTube, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.